Today we're using the Acceleration Using Force and Mass Interactive Calculator to solve for acceleration in mechanical systems. This calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate acceleration, calculate force, calculate mass, calculate net force for multiple forces, calculate required force with friction, and calculate maximum acceleration with force limits. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Acceleration. The input fields are force in newtons and mass in kilograms. I'll enter 200 for force and 50 for mass, then click Calculate. The calculator shows our acceleration result equals F divided by m. With our force of 200 newtons and mass of 50 kilograms, we get an acceleration of 4,000 meters per second squared. This tells us that a 200 Newton force applied to a 50 kilogram object will accelerate it at exactly 4 meters per second squared. This acceleration value is critical for determining motion profiles, calculating time to reach target speeds, and ensuring your actuators can provide adequate performance for your application. Whether you're designing automation systems or sizing motors, this calculator streamlines your force and acceleration calculations. Find the link in the description below.